If you're unable to reload your IC card using a credit card in Apple Wallet, you can reload it using cash. Here are 3 ways to reload your digital IC card on your iPhone using cash. Find the big bank of ticket vending machines and look for a machine that says IC charge. Change the language in the top right corner. Select Charge/Check History. Place your phone in the IC card rack. Select Charge by Cash. Select Charge Amount. Select Charge with Receipt or Charge without receipt. Insert your cash. Wait for the chime to confirm that your transaction was successful. Then collect your receipt, your change, and your phone. You can also reload your Icoca on your iPhone at any major convenience store. Follow these steps. Approach the counter and tell the clerk you want to charge your Icoca. Icoca charge onegai shimasu. Tap your phone on the IC receiver. Select your charge amount. Pay the amount in cash. Then tap the phone again when prompted. You can then receive your change and receipt. Finally, you can reload your Icoca on your iPhone at 7 bank ATMs. Select Electronic Money. Unlock your phone via Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode and place it near the IC reader. Double tap your phone to enable IC payments. Place the phone upside down in the reader and close the phone holder. Choose Charge and select the charge amount. Insert your cash into the money slot. Select Receipt if you need a receipt, or Confirm to finish the transaction. And don't forget your phone. Your Icoca on your iPhone is now charged up and ready to use. For more tips on getting the most out of your time in Japan, check out InsideKyoto.com and InsideOsaka.com. Find the best itineraries for your time in Japan, as well as insiders' advice, locals' recommendations, and more.